Hello there folks, welcome back to Goodfellas Garage. Today we're going to find out how many lawyers does it take to replace a coolant expansion tank in a 2010 E92 BMW. Folks, my name is Al, I'm a lawyer. Today I'm going to attempt to replace a coolant expansion tank in this 2010 E92 BMW 335i. I was actually filming with this car when the expansion tank exploded, sending coolant everywhere. So I need to fix it before I can continue filming my next video. So let's see how long it takes me. The time now is about 4 p.m. Alright, so to start with, we need to remove two little clips. So one here on this hose, and then there's one, I don't know if you can see it, down there. So let's start with that. Our new tank straight from BMW already comes with the sensor. All we have to do is plug everything back in. Let's start with the hose. I also bought a brand new cap from BMW just in case, because this one is 10 years, the old one is 10 years old, and I'm pretty sure that once you replace this, the cap is going to go next. So let's fill it up with some coolant. Alright, so what I need to do now is run the car. I'm sure there's going to be some air in the system, so I'll run it with the cap off. There's a bleed screw right here, but I'll just run it with the cap off and see if I need to top it off or not. And then what I'll do is I'll check it in the morning and see where the level is at. Alright. Well folks, I'm done. It took one lawyer 15 minutes and I am done. The car is running fine, so we can move on to the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.